Hello, and welcome to How to Play Among Us.
Yeah, welcome back to How to Play Among Us. So, here are some simple things not to do and to do in Among Us. So, if you're just walking around as imposter and you say you just weren't paying full attention, you go up here, you vent, and you realise this guy vented in front of you. I vented in front of this person. Say you're on kill cooldown for 10 more seconds. And maybe you're on sabotage cooldown as well, because you just sabotage reactor. What you do is you'd run and sabotage cafeteria if they start running that way, or storage if they start running the other way. Once they notice that it's shut, they'll either start running this way, so the other way that they were going to go. As soon as they are about to get to the room, shut the door. Just make sure you're not too close, otherwise they might glitch through it. And then say they're going down to storage, which is stupid because it's a shorter way. All you do is you shut storage, then cafeteria, same thing basically. And then as soon as that door opens, either kill if your kill cooldown's down, or sabotage if you can by then. So next, if you want to try and get, enough kills to win, you'd go around killing people. And some of the worst areas to kill is like maybe the cafeteria, because that connects to 3 different ways, so it's a high traffic area. Same with storage. And electrical is pretty good to kill, but make sure you're not killing when there's like a bunch of people walking in. Yeah. So now for crewmate. If you are a crewmate and say you have admin card swipe as your common task, say you only have one common task. We don't have wires, as you can see on the little thing, the total thing under the total task completed. So basically, the common tasks on the map, the scaled, are card swipe and wires. If one person has card swipe, everyone has card swipe. If one person has wires, everyone has fixed wires. Just remember, you won't have fixed wires in the same places. Another cool tip for if you're crewmate is you can see vents open through walls. So say I'm sitting here, if someone was to vent in security, I'd be able to see the vent open. Then I could maybe run around here and then see if anyone's here. If they are, they probably just vented into there. Or you could go check for dead bodies in security or medbay. This is probably a glitch, and it might even be patched while I'm recording this. Might even be patched right now, I don't know. But what I've seen is if you walk up to a camera and open it right as you get to it, it will show a bit more than normal. So normal, glitch. Okay, I think they actually fixed it. I'm pretty sure it was something to do with the fact that the cameras used to shake a bit when you're on them. But yeah, that obviously doesn't happen anymore, so that's a myth busted. Don't try that anymore. If you're in an emergency, okay. So I'll have another tip. So say you just killed in front of someone, and they're sus of you. Well, they saw you kill. Maybe you killed on accident, or you were killing to blame. Don't immediately blame if people are already sus of you. If people are already sus of you, act stupid. Act like, what? I wasn't insert place that you killed here. Or, wait, what? Or, what do you mean I wasn't even there? Or, if you do have some alibis / people who trust you / the other person you're killing in front of is being sussed, you're probably better to go on like, you're better off, like, blaming them, being like, it's them, I saw them kill. So yeah. Also, try joining games with like 6 people, because it's very hard to get in games with like 8 people. I was very lucky there. If visual tasks off, you can still medbay scan. So say someone's, oh my god, I'm imposter. There is 3 imposters. Say someone's medbay scanning right in front of you, and you need to check if they're safe and visual tasks are off. If you have medbay scan, you walk up to them and you test. So it should say waiting for, and then their name if they are scanning. Now say I kill right in front of someone else. Say I kill here. But, well, that was just a not on purpose double kill, but, and then that person just vented there because of lag. But say you kill right in front of someone, and then they're blaming you. You should probably just vent him. You should probably either activate it or just go really hard on them. So say this happened. Like yellow and pink are safe, meaning that black's probably also considered safe. That's a big lot of people. So in this sort of situation, you'd say self, or you just win because someone leaves. And I kind of want to be crewmate for this example. Next example. Let's do 2 imposters, or not, apparently. Oh my god, this is why it's so hard to join high level, like, high ones. On some maps, so it's like impossible. This is why you should join ones with like 4 or 6 people. Or not, apparently. Sometimes I join ones with like 1 people and it's like full. Oh my god. See, this is why you need to join low ones. Probably have like 9 people. Never mind. See, and then no one's gonna join this. I'll just show you guys another tip. Say you're playing on the Skeld, one map where there's door sabotages, but you can't sabotage them at the same time as like sabotage. But there. If you say you want to sabotage reactor, but like I don't know. If you just spawned in people, there's like all you need is a double kill or a kill to win, and they're sus of you or something, but they just skipped because there was a tie or something. What you need to do is, if you want to sabotage reactor and O2, cafeteria and O2, so that they can't get out to fix it, and then it will be like 20 seconds left, and they have to go over. I suggest O2 because they don't have to have their hand down. They can also just have the thing. But if you press them at the same time, it should do it. That just happened because I tapped one after the other. Very bad timing, but if you press them at the same time, they should. See, I'll do this with reactor. Never mind. See, it's kind of hard, but like, if you tap them at the exact same time, it will sabotage both. So, say I'm going to do it with lights and electrical door, but you probably do it with O2 and stuff. Like, say you just spawn in, because everyone would be in cafe. So, if I do these 2, it's very hard. It's very, very hard, especially with a bit of lag, because I'm recording. But once this fixes itself, there will be this. So I can do. Yeah, it's very hard with the lag, but if you tap them at the same time, it will sabotage both, and then it's kind of cool. Yep. Also, if your teammate kills, say your teammate kills, like this, if that was my teammate, and I was over here, and my kill cooldown was at 0, it would flash to 1 for like 1 second, a millisecond or something, and you know that they just killed, so you can either try and find the body, or like, yeah, know that you only need 1 more kill to win, if you do. But yeah, those are some cool tips and tricks. I may be doing a bit more like this in the future, but make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. See you guys soon. Bye.